Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. I heard the audio already, and it's lit. I just didn't, and I saw some clips of the behind the scenes from TikTok. I think that's so freaking interesting to how they created this. And this collaboration, I could never predict this. Pabllo Vittar is a drag queen. If correct me in the comments down below, but that's why from what I'm told. And I never seen the music video. Let's go. Pabllo Vittar, NMIXX. Be sure to check out my Patreon if you haven't already. I'll be checking out the behind the scenes on my Patreon. I'll be uploaded there for free. So be sure to check out the Patreon. Follow. It's free. There are free content there. But also you can subscribe for $1 and you can get more content out of the blue. We got K-pop Demon Hunters reaction. We got Squid Game reaction. We got EXO Kitty. Season 3 is coming out soon, so I'm probably going to check it out as well. You guys like my commentary on there. And a lot more over there. Got anime as well. I need to continue the Kaiju number 8 episodes. But anyways, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Bow. Okay, walk that walk. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. 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 Can you hear that bass? Get it? Hey. This should go hard. Whoa. Yes. Yay. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Mesh. It's mesh. Okay. Mesh. And I looked it up. It means move, right? Ooh, okay. Okay, with the vocals. Pabllo. Oh wait, hold up. Did she say this shit will make you mesh? Mesh. This shit that make you mesh? I think that's what they said. I don't know. Correct me in the comments. Pabllo. That was definitely Lily.
Oh my gosh. Smell that diesel, lock and load, just feel that kick. Put some gasolina on my lips like.
Put that gasolina on your lips.
Kiss me at the break, I ain't gonna say that.
Huh?
Quick, I'ma hit that gas, I'm in now.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Yes, it is NMIXX singing Portuguese. Hey. Woo. Y'all looking good. Everyone in this music video. Hey. Hey. Okay. Hey. And they serving the music video. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, dancers too. That's fire. I feel like it's such a good balanced collab too. Ooh. And the dance, the energy in this. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, Pabllo. It's Pabllo, yeah? Okay, so when I first heard this audio, it was way back. I didn't know anything about Pabllo. I never checked their music at all. But I don't know. It's such an interesting collab, so I had to check it out. I couldn't wait, so I checked out the audio in the car, bass bumping, and me and Hedger were like, oh. Hey, so I'm just even the freaking MV eats, bro. Yo, give it for Pabllo and NMIXX. Mesh. Let me see that one more time. I'm gonna see a few more clips. Actually. The beginning is such energy off the bat too. Pabllo has fire songs. Should I check out Pabllo? Woo-hoo-hoo. They go hard.
Can you hear that?
Pabllo got some thighs. My God, I see you doing them squats.
Every time I'ma switch down legs.
Turn it up, mix it up. Look at you now, run it up. Up to sit up, flip it up, rock it up.
This NMIXX is their thing, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm the one, I'm the prize. Even if you try, you ain't catching up.
Woo! Okay, Betty, I'm Betty.
In slow motion, that rotation. Feel like me ain't got none.
That shot's so crazy, the shoes.
Rotation. Feel like me ain't got none.
The heels.
Mesh. Mesh.
Hey, hey, okay, hey, throw it back. That's a cool shot too.
Mesh. Mesh. This the shit that make you mesh.
This the shit that'll make you mesh. Pabllo has wait. Pabllo has a song with Charlie XCX and Talia and Anita. Ooh.
Know that diesel lock and load.
That sounds fire though.
Just feel that kick. Put some gasoline
Lina on my lip.
lips like kiss me at the break. I ain't gonna say that.
Yeah.
Quick, I'ma hit that gas on right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Mesh.
Hey.
Mesh. Mesh. This that shit that make you
Mesh. Mesh. Mesh.
This that shit that make you mad.
So good. So good.
mesh. Mesh. This that shit that make you.
And then the breakdown dance, killing it, Pabllo. The dance is killing it. Woo! Fire shot right here.
Hear that bass. Hear that bass.
They have a great voice too.
Mesh.
Mesh.
NMIXX looks great too. My God. And they slaying too.
Mesh.
Mesh.
Iconic.
Mesh.
Iconic.
Mesh.
Iconic. All right. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Pabllo, Vittar, and NMIXX. This is fire. This is a great collab. It's going to be one of my favorites this year. And yeah. Be sure to leave your comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. Be sure to check out the Patreon. We're going to be checking out the behind the scenes Pabllo and NMIXX collab. I'm very curious how this production came to happen. This should be interesting. It's just two worlds colliding and should be a good time. It should be free on Patreon at the moment. You just got to become a free member and that's all. And yeah, we're going to check it out right now on Twitch, which you should be following. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace. Yeah, I saw this clip.
Thank you.
She went in the studio with her.
Então vem pra cá, abre o caminho que eu vou passar. Tô de shortinho, vou misturar. Eu vou o quê? Vou misturar.
Bro, that takes crazy
Yeah,
talent though.
just take it out.
I forgot she's.
Okay.
Lily's Australian, right?
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.